I'm bucking deep in Tennessee with my brothers from the 3. We quick to click and break the peace. No respect for what they.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to make icons for your games. These icons are more cartoony styled, so they're suited more towards simulated games, but you can make them for any type of game. I've had a lot of requests to do this video and I'm finally doing it, so let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is open up some sort of like swirl background like this. I made this one myself with the line tool. If you don't know how to make one or can't find one, join my Discord, link is in the description, or just DM me on Discord and then I will send you this file for free and you can use it. So after you get one of these opened, you're going to want to pick what color you want to make it. I'm going to be doing a purple color, I think. I like to do more watercolory types, that are less saturated, that style. So fill in the white with the color and then get a darker version of the color and fill that in with a darker version. The software I'm using, for anyone wondering, is Paint.net. It's free. You can just Google Paint.net download and I'll leave a link put in the description below to that as well. Then after you do that, what you're going to want to do is get your text tool, create a new layer, and select your font. I use this font called ROBLOX. I got it off dafont.com. Just Google dafont.com or dafont for bold font and it should come up. Then you don't have to use this font though, you can use any type of font you want. So I'm going to get my color picker tool and just get this color that we used for the background again to make the text the same color. After you do that, you simply write the name of your game. So I'm making a logo for the game we are making in the How to Make a Simulator series. So make sure you go check out that series as well. So now that you have your text put down, you're going to want to go to Object Drop Shadow. This does not come with Paint.net, it is a plugin. So you are going to need to go search Paint.net Drop Shadow plugin. Just search Paint.net Drop Shadow plugin, it'll come up, follow the instructions how to install it, and it'll show up in your effects window exactly where I just showed it. So we're going to make this a bit darker than the color of your normal text right now and lower the Y offset a tiny bit. Okay, not as big, so it looks like that, right? So then after I do that, what I'm going to want to do is surround it with black. So get black, not quite a full black, but fairly black. I'm gonna make this one not offset, size it up, or actually, go back, drop shadow. The drop shadow that's the same color as the text, don't make it any sort of like, don't offset it at all, just leave it where it is. Next one, the black, you just want to leave it where it is as well, make it not quite black, widening radius, like that. After that, do another drop shadow, make this one full black, and lower the widening radius for the offset Y. After you do that, as you can see, it gives it a 3D look. So it looks like your text is popping out. Then you can either leave it like that, or what I like to do sometimes is add a white background over it. Like that. So you can leave your logo like that, or you can add an image. I went on Google Images here and I just found a free clip art of a donut. Where'd it go? Not sure what the quality's like on this one. Might find a different one. Let's find a better one. Where's a good donut? This one? I'm just trying to find a good donut picture right here. That'll work. So I'm going to delete the background with the magic wand tool. So as you can see, the background's now gone. Then I'm going to put this behind the text but over top of the background with our layer tool and size it up. I'm going to lower this a little bit, drag this down, size it up, maybe rotate it a bit. Then what I want to do next is combine it with the text layer and then give it the white drop shadow. So it'll look like that. However, I'm trying to figure out if I like how that looks. Really, this part is just playing around. You don't even do it exactly how I'm doing it, because you just want to make it however looks nice with your logo and the way you're making the logo. Like, say I didn't want this donut, could go pick like where's a better donut? Say this donut, for example. Paste it down onto a new layer. Delete the background for it. Move it back here. Scale it up. Combine it with the layer above it. Add your drop shadow effect. And there we go. It's a pretty nice looking logo. This one was made pretty quickly, so it doesn't look the greatest. However, you can make some really nice looking logos with this. I'll show you some of the logos I've made with this. So I made this logo with this method, just how I showed you just now. It'll probably be faster if I just open them in paint.net. I made both of these. I made this like that. I made this with that method I just showed you. I made this with that method I just showed you. What else did we make with that? This icon. Like, I've made a lot of icons like this. This icon. All of these icons are made with the same method I just showed you. So if you just practice it, you can get a lot better at it and get to making icons like this really fast. Like, I made this in like 5 or 10 minutes. It was really easy. But I hope you all enjoyed the video on how to do this. I made this because I've been getting a lot of requests on it. I know it's a lot different than the scripting orientated stuff I usually do, but I still wanted to show you guys how to do it. So make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.